Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I will show you how to create a wire wrapped veil for this coral point. I will use some wire and as you can see the length of the wire is about 5.5 inches. That is about 14 centimeters. Now, in order to create the veil, I will take my coral point, I will put the wire through the point, and I will cross the two wires above the pendant like this. Now I will take my round nose pliers and I will put the longer wire up like this, and I will grab the pendant and wrap the shorter wire around the longer wire like this. Like this. As you can see, I have a small bit of wire here and I will cut it like this. This way. I will take the pliers, the chain of pliers, and press on the edge, on the end of my wire, so that the wire goes around the other wire like this. And now I have this long wire here, and I will use it in order to make the loop of my pendant. I will take the round nose pliers and grab the wire this way, and I will start twisting the other wire around my first wire like this. So as you can see, I have twisted the wire twice around my other wire this way, like this. So as you can see, I have two loops here, and I have this wire left over like this. Now I will grab the wires this way, and I will take the longer wire and I will start wrapping it around the bases of my veil like this. I will keep wrapping it around like this. this way. And this end here must be cut, and I will take the cutting pliers and I will try to cut this bit of wire off from here. This way. So this is the finished bale. This is what the finished bale looks like.